Okay, so we're going to real quickly go through parametric form of parabolas. So it's really not too bad. First thing we want to do is try to get the x is going to be my squared term, so I want to get the y by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 16, which is the same as multiplying by 1 over 16. And then I want to get that y by itself, so I'll subtract 2 from both sides. So y equals 1 over 16 times x plus 4 quantity squared minus 2. Now that's rectangular form, but parametric, all we have to do is let x equal t and then rewrite y, substituting t in x's position. So it's 1/16 t plus 4 quantity squared minus 2. And there are two equations, parametric form, not bad. Now, in this next one, it's in general form, and so we've got to first get it in that form. So there's no leading coefficient to factor out in the y squared, so that's going to be y squared minus 2y. I'm going to have to complete the square on that, so I'm going to leave space, and I'm going to move the x to the other side, so that's positive 8x, and we did this last class. So here I'm going to complete the square. Half the middle term is 1 squared. When I square that 1, it's going to make plus 1. There's no coefficient out front, so it really is just adding 1. So to balance the equation, I'm going to subtract 1 from the same side. That's going to give me y minus 1 quantity squared. Those cancel each other out. Okay, and so then that's going to give me equals 8x. Next step, I'm going to divide both sides by 8, which is the same as multiplying by 1/8. So that's going to give me x equals 1/8 y minus 1 quantity squared. And again, this is rectangular form. Well, for the parametric form, this time y is my variable that's going to get plugged in, so I'm going to let y equal t this time. That's totally legal, that's okay. And then I'm going to substitute t in for y in the x equation. So x equals 1/8 t minus 1 quantity squared, and that's all there is to parametric.